Hello, I'm Mariko Tu, Manager of Youth and Family Programs at the Norton Simon Museum. In this Letting Go meditation, we'll be looking at Hokusai's Yōrō Falls in Mino Province. Yōrō Falls in Mino Province is from Hokusai's series, a tour of waterfalls in various provinces that highlights 8 views of waterfalls at pilgrimage sites around Honshu, Japan's main island. Hokusai was interested in Shinto, a polytheistic religion originating in Japan. In Shinto, kami, or spirit, resides in elements of nature, rocks, trees, and waterfalls. A common practice of ritual purification is to immerse yourself under a waterfall to cleanse, release, and restore. Take a restorative moment to release any tensions in your mind and body. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Pause. Exhale through your mouth for 6 counts. Release. Focus now on Yōrō Falls in Mino Province and imagine immersing yourself under the waterfall. Inhale, let. Exhale, go.